So welcome friends, and let's have a history of Python. So here I'm not going to give you a complete and the detailed history of Python. Instead, some important points that I'm going to focus you about the history of Python, and it's pretty simple. The Python is basically a higher level programming language created by Guido van Rossum, and this language is basically high level programming language, interpreted high level programming language that comes with a very dynamic types. And unlike the other programming language, you do need to give a detail of your variables by showing different type of data types. This is dynamic type language. Automatic memory management, automatic cleaning management that comes here, object oriented language, imperative, functional, procedural, and comes with a lot of standard library. So what is basically the philosophy and syntax of the Python? Python is basically a successor of ABC language. Second, it has a capability. It is capable of handling exception like Java. And the Python 2 was basically released on 16th October 2000, and later on 3 December 2008 Python 3 was released. So what is basically the features and philosophy of Python? The first one, the core philosophy, the first one, beautiful is better than ugly. So the language should be written in a very beautiful manner with a limited type of syntaxes. And second one, the explicit is better than implicit. Instead of writing language implicitly, it is better to explain each and every part of the code. And the next one is the simple is better than complex. So the language should be in such a simpler manner that anybody can easily learn it. And my friends, you will really like it when you go through the tutorials where you will find how easy to write code by using Python. That's why the readability counts. So what exactly the syntax and semantics? Most of the syntax and semantics in Python are nearly same with other programming languages like C, C++, and Java, but with a little bit of differences. You will have a indentation, statements, and control flows like the other languages like C, C++, and Java. Expression are also nearly same with other language. Method and typings are also nearly same with the other language. You can perform any type of mathematical calculation with a correct and precise value that you cannot find in Java or any other language. It also comes with a lot of libraries. You can import the libraries, you can include the libraries like you usually do in C, C++, and Java. And implementation, you can also use implementations of other classes or other object by using object oriented principles and many more. So this is about the little bit details of the history, philosophy, and syntax. So let's have a once again a very simple GK. You'd like to know that Steve Russell programs the first computer game, that is a Spacebar in 1962. So I think you need to know that.